A 15-year-old teenager from Long Island, Thomas Medlin, disappeared after leaving his school and taking a train to Manhattan, New York, on January 9, 2026. According to the authorities, he was allegedly heading to meet someone he met on the video game platform Roblox, which has been criticized for cases of grooming. Medlin was last seen at Grand Central Station around 5:30 p.m. His family, alarmed by his disappearance, has requested help from the community and has organized search groups. The police continue investigating and reviewing surveillance footage, while Roblox Corporation stated that it is cooperating by providing useful information for the investigation.